Beneath the moon's unbroken gaze, I walk the line of shadowed ways. The mirror cracks, the truth reveals the beast within.
Betray the war inside, a tender heart, a storm to hide. I see the man, I touch the flame, two souls entwined, yet not the same.
The dark you cannot flee.
I am the light that sets you free.
Together we are shadows, embrace a dance of sorrow, a fleeting grace. The night will sing of hearts undone, two halves that merge yet never one. You speak in whispers, torn and wild, a man, a monster, a broken child. Your voice, it trembles soft and low, a song of love you'll never show. Your touch, it burns, it calms, it aches, a fleeting peace my darkness takes. I fear the day, I dread the night, yet